Hey guys, welcome back to Savage Life Off-Road Adventures. I know all of y'all have been wondering why I'm still riding around with a broken mirror. And you know what? I was thinking the same thing. To be honest, it wasn't as hard to find as I thought it was going to be. eBay had it pretty quick. So they got it out to me. I have it. So, hey, why not fix the trail damage? So if you remember in a previous video, I gave you the whole spiel on how I actually broke the mirror. And I probably shouldn't have brought it up. I should have just left it with trail, a trail damage. But as you can see, the mirror is severely damaged. And in most vehicles, when you're taking a mirror off, there's a lot to it. Luckily, Jeep knows we're gonna break these things. So they made it real easy. Inside there are 3 bolts. I'm gonna use a T30. It should be a T35, but I can't find my T35, so I'm gonna use a T30. And I'm going to take that off, replace it with the new mirror that is got all the plug and play. It's the stock exact same mirror. It's got blind spot, heated mirror, all that good stuff. And this should take anybody, I don't know, like 15 minutes. Not even. As those are removed, you can see you're going to have to hold the mirror because it's going to just want to fall. It does have a lip on it. But this one's broken. So, as you can see when you get in here, oh, and look at that, the plug just came right out. So, half the job was done for me. Apparently when it took its hit, it unplugged. So, it's not damaged. So we're gonna go ahead and put the new one on. Trash. All right, new mirror. So you're gonna take one hand's gonna have the mirror, a bolt in the other. You're gonna wanna plug it in and then seat it with the guides in the holes. And then reach through your mirror, or reach through the mirror. Reach through your window and secure it with a bolt. And that way you can move around and it doesn't. And it might not be all the way on, but it's not falling off. So that makes it real easy. And I would go ahead and hand start these just to get them threaded so you don't strip anything out. And once you've got them hand threaded, I don't recommend tightening them all the way down with any kind of power tool. Cinch it up, but don't torque it down. Then use a ratchet so you don't strip anything out. And as you can see, it sits right in the indentation. It's all on. Let's check the electrics. Let's check the electrical. All right, left mirror. We're moving. Up, down, everything is working. All right. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to fix mirrors on a Jeep. And they did it on purpose, so don't be afraid to break a mirror. Of course, they do cost a little bit, but don't be afraid to break it. It's an easy fix. I hope you enjoyed this quick fix on our channel, and stay tuned. We'll be posting something soon.